I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to add stroke or fill in Figma. So this can be very helpful when you create it. Just create this really simple with a pen tool, a simple stroke, and we have stroke here. You see this here. Now, if you click on this button here, this minus, this will disappear, but you still have the path, but you don't have stroke or a fill. So to add a fill and a stroke very fast, you click plus here, plus here. Now you have here one, that's why you don't see any black, but there is, but it's still very small. So if you click on this and hold, you have stroke. Now this is added to the center, but maybe you want inside, maybe you want outside, or center, or outside, inside, outside. You have stroke and you also have fill, but if you want to change the color, you just click on here and change the color. But maybe you want to add gradient, you click on gradient here, and now you have a gradient. Of course, you can customize this how you want. You can click on here, now you add another one, you can change the color here, and you can move this the way you want. Maybe you want to add a picture here, you click choose image here, you choose image from your computer, and then you add an image inside this shape. But what's cool is that you can even maybe, you know, you have this image, this this stroke, this shape here. You can add some text. Now you have some text here, and for this text here that we have, let's actually increase the text, or let's actually increase it, and then we can change the format of the text. If you want to add now to change the fill for this text, instead of a shape, you just have to go to fill here. You can remove the stroke, the fill, sorry, but add only a stroke and increase the stroke from here now. And we have a stroke here. Let me delete this and just move this here and zoom in. So we have stroke, we can increase from here. We are adding stroke outside, we can add inside. We can add a fill. We can change this from inside outside. Change the color. We can add a gradient. We can even add an image inside this text. We can even add a video